What up? Hello again. Happy Wednesday, Minnesota historians. Coming at you Wednesday morning. Ready to get at it? Ready to rise and shine? Brought my little friend today. It's my little unicorn friend. Thought I could bring you some love, some luck here with my unicorn friend. Let's look at what we got on tap for today. Are you ready? Let's get to it. All right, here it is. There's the Wednesday flow map. If it's something that's accessible to you, right? Your job today is to make sure you're reading the slides carefully. It's Where is It Wednesday? We're going to explore a site that is close to the Iron Range, that's in the Iron Range. It's the Split Rock Lighthouse. So I'm guessing some of you have heard of it. Some of you may have even visited or been there. If you haven't, you'll get a chance to take a closer look. It's one of my favorite historic Minnesota sites. You'll also get a chance to explore what we call the Sudan mines, which is very much connected to the iron mining industry here in Minnesota, if you're curious about it. So take a look, all right? Make sure that you are accessing that doc that we sent out in Google Classroom, that Chapter 11 note-taking sheet. That's where you will what you'll use today to complete your Where is It Wednesday questions, all right? So make sure that you get that done. First off, though, don't forget this guy. Here's the link for the entry ticket. We want to know how you're doing. We want to know what's up. How's home today? How's life? It's really good to hear from some of you who have been sharing with me. It's really fun to hear about, what kind of day you're having. I'm curious and I want to know. So make sure that you fill this out and get that daily participation point, and then you're on to your Bellringer. This was also available, a doc available to you in Google Classroom. Under the classwork tab, make sure you find it. Answer these questions. What direction is the Iron Range from Bloomington? You might have to look it up on Google Maps. And then name one natural resource that all these three industries have in common: lumber, iron, and flour. So what do they all have in common? What natural resource do they all require or all need? Right? Tomorrow, April 30th, we'll have our weekly office hours from 9:30 to 10:30. So if you have questions, if you want to see our faces, Mr. Ziegler and I, please be sure to meet up with us from 9:30 to 10:30 by using this Google Meet code that you see here at the bottom of the slide: VVM Hawes for me and VVMS Ziegler for Mr. Ziegler's Thursday office hours. Come see us. Come ask questions. Just come show us your faces. We'd love to see you. Here is a video we're going to ask you to watch for Where is It Wednesday about the Split Rock Lighthouse. That's the focus. And then you'll head back to your note-taking sheet to answer these questions in box 4. Just box 4. Make sure you're answering those questions. How far is it from you, from your house? What direction would you go? What's one see fact you learned? What's one do fact that you learned? And then 2 facts that you learned about the site from that particular tab. Okay? Here's a map of the Mesabi Range, which you'll find out more about. And then again, this is about the Sudan underground mine. So this is in that Iron Range area. It's really an interesting film if you're curious about what it was like to be a miner. And you can also take a virtual tour if you're interested in that. This is not required, however. You do not have to watch this video or explore, but if you're curious or interested, it's there for you. Or if you're feeling bored and you're looking for something to do, check it out. It's not going to kill you. All right, here's the recap, what you need to do for the day. And then lastly, here's just another 55-minute, it's a long one, on Split Rock Lighthouse. But again, really interesting if you're curious about it. And I want you to think about, would you like the job of being a lighthouse keeper? Because that's an actual job. So there's your day in a nutshell, all right? Hit us up with questions, concerns, comments, whatever you need. We're here for you. Have a great Wednesday. We're halfway through the week. Remember, no school on Friday or Monday. I miss you guys. Hope you're doing well. Talk to you soon.